Hello to all my amazing talkers out there. I'm Teacher Jay, and I have been teaching for over 17 years, together both in the classroom and online. I love to teach. Teaching is my passion. I have a degree in education. I love to teach adults. I also love to teach children. I can help you accomplish all of your learning goals. If you're preparing for a test, I can help you prepare with confidence. I can help you set goals, reach goals. If you are just looking for just simple conversation, I can help you with pronunciation. I can help you with grammar. I can help you reach your goals. If you are focused on learning how to speak natively, I can help you with your speaking. If you just want to have a structured conversation with a theme or talking about different scenarios, I got those for you too. I love to have a great conversation, and I can help you understand how to respond quickly, how to ask questions, and how to understand what is being asked and the response. I can help you reach your goals no matter what your goals are. So please, don't hesitate. If you're thinking about it, drop a question and just ask me whatever question you have. I look forward to you booking a trial and just giving me a try. Let's get to know one another. Let's build. Until then, good luck on your English journey. Bye for now.